Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really cool telescope. This would be great for like an astronomy class or anything that you're wanting to see outside because it comes with everything that you need, and it actually does package up very nicely in this padded case that you can take with you on the go. It does not take up a lot of space, and that is really cool. They do send you with an instruction guide, and you also have multiple lenses. You've got this 10mm lens, you've got this 3x little Barlow lens that has a little different look to it there. You've also got these lens holders for nice travel accessories, and on that note, all these accessories can fit in this accessory tray. Now this is an aluminum tripod. It's got an adjustable tripod on this. Take off this tray. This can easily fold completely up, collapse down, and fit in that bag. But everything here is fully extendable, so once it's set up, it's real easy to use. Now I've gone ahead and put this 25mm lens on here. You've got a viewfinder that you can use. You calibrate it up initially, and then when you look through this viewfinder, you can see what you're looking for, and then when you look through here, you can see what I've got it on right there.
Cool. So cool. I can see birds.
So you can see a lot of neat things out of this during the day, and at nighttime, of course, you can see other things like the moon or search for different star constellations or whatnot, which is really great. And to switch out your lenses, really simply, just have to loosen up these little set screws. You can pull out a lens. You, of course, will put it in the appropriate cap and case, and then you can use the new lens that you're wanting to use to simply insert in and tighten down. Now, to adjust the clarity of this focus, you just simply adjust this knob here. So that's really nice, and it's all on this nice, easy-to-use little gimbal here that you can loosen up, move around any direction that you want to, and once you get it set, just simply lock it in place, and then it's stationary and it's not going to be, moving a lot on you. So last feature that I wanted to kind of go over briefly is this phone holder, which is another great way to help view things, record things. Simply can attach this onto your phone, and you get it lined up with your camera on your phone. And once you get it lined up with the appropriate camera that you want to have, you can then attach this onto the end and view and record things through your phone. This is a great little telescope that can be used for many different applications.